understood that lesson. Okay. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 2, that is the treasure. Lesson number 2, the treasure. What do you mean by treasure? ಟ್ರೆಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೆಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಏನು ಟ್ರೆಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? Read the title of the story. What treasure do you think the author has in mind? See here the treasure. ಈ ಟ್ರೆಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಆಥರ್ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿರಬಹುದು. ವಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೆಸರ್ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ ಆಥರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್? ಅವ್ರ ಆಥರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಠವನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ದಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಲೇಖಕರು, ಅವರ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಟ್ರೆಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ದಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಎನಿ ಗೆಸ್ಸಸ್? ಏನು ಟ್ರೆಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ಟ್ರೆಸರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಮನಿ, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಸಂಪತ್ತು. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸಂಪತ್ತು? ಮನಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಏನೇನು ಸಂಪತ್ತು? ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ನೀವು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರಬಹುದದು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಟ್ರೆಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಂಪತ್ತು. ಯಾವ ತರದ ಸಂಪತ್ತು? ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ one mother and her son used to stay in the cottage. Cottage ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಡಿಸಲು. Just briefly I will give introduction. Okay, ಒಂದು ಕಾಟೇಜ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಗ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಗಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಆ ತಾಯಿ ಬಹಳ ಬಡವಿ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಪುವರ್, ವೆರಿ ಪುವರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಅವತ್ತಿನ ಊಟವನ್ನ ಅವತ್ತೇ ತಂದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ ಮಗನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? ಜೋರಿಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಜೋರಿಸ್, ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಗ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಜೋರಿಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಇರೋದು ತಾಯಿ, ಮಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, shall I start the lesson? Little Joris was the son of a poor widow who lived in a small cottage at the edge of a great forest. As I told you, little Joris, there is a one little boy, his name is Joris. He is the son of a poor widow. Widow, what do you mean by widow? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲಕನಿಗೆ ತಂದೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ತಾಯಿ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್. ತಾಯಿ ಒಬ್ಳೇ ಇದ್ದಂತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಾಟೇಜು. ಆ ಕಾಟೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಡಿಸಲು. ಆ ಗುಡಿಸಲು ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಡಿನ ಒಂದು ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ there is a one cottage. In that cottage there used to stay that mother and the son, little Joris. His only friends were the trees, flowers, birds and beasts that lived in the forest. ಆ ಒಂದು ಜೋರಿಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಆಗಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ, ಆ ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೀಸ್ಟ್. ಬೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಮೃಗಗಳು. ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೃಗಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಡು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಬೀಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬೀಸ್ಟ್ that lived in the forest. See here, he is the little Joris and his mother. Next, when the long cold winter days began, flour and oatmeal became dearer and dearer to buy. Means cold winter. In the winter season, the oatmeal and the flour means hittu. Wheat flour, rice flour, isn't it? Jowar flour means hittu. Oatmeal. ಊಟ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಆಹಾರ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚಳಿಗಾಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂತೆ. ಡಿಯರರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಿಯರರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್. One day it became a winter season. That time the flour and oatmeal became very dearer to dearer. Means not easy to buy. It's very costly. Next, Joris often found his mother peering into a flour bin that had less and less flour inside it. Means flour bin. What is flour bin means? You all of have heard that dustbin. What is dustbin? So we put the dust, that is called as the dustbin. Like that we keep the flour in the flour bin. ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಡಬ್ಬಿ ಹಿಟ್ಟಿನ ಡಬ್ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಬಿನ್. ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಜೋರಿಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಏನಂತ ತನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಬ್ಬಿಗಳನ್ನ ಬಿನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತಂತೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತಂತೆ, ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್. ಆ ಬಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತಂತೆ. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ turn the next page, page number 11. Okay. He thought he would go into the forest and find a great treasure to give her. That little Joris thought that he would find a treasure to his mother. Okay. He thought he would go into the forest. He thought, no, I have to go and search a treasure in the forest. He decided to go for the forest. So the very next time he was sent out to gather fuel for the fire. He went deeper into the woods than he had ever gone before. So the next day, this day he has decided to go to the forest. In the very next day, soon the next day, the mother sent him to bring fuel for the fire. So he went deeper and deeper into the forest. He went very deeply inside the forest. He have never had gone before that much inside the forest. This time he is going, first time he is going very deeper and deeper into the forest. He was not a bit frightened. He was not a bit frightened means he was not scared about that forest and beast animals. He talked all the time means he keep talking all the time. He used to talk, hi tree, hello tree, how are you tree. He used to talk with the tree. He used to make a conversation with the trees. Do you know where my treasure is? It is, he is asking to the tree that, do you know where my treasure is? He keep on talking with the trees and all over the forest. He wandered on and on until suddenly he caught a sight of a little man with a red cape on his shoulders. Means he wandered. Wandered means he roamed and roamed. ಅಲೆದಾಡುವುದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವನದು ಸೈಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ, ಆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಜೋರಿಸಿನ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು? ಒಬ್ಬ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಆ ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ರು? ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ರೆಡ್ ಕೇಪ್. ರೆಡ್ ಕೇಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಕೆಂಪು ವಸ್ತ್ರವನ್ನ, ಕೆಂಪು ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ. ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ವೆರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದ್ದ. ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಕೇಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನ ಉದ್ದಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ತರ ಒಂದು ಆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಗೂ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ. ರೆಡ್ ಕೇಪ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ. ಹಿಸ್ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್. ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಹುಡುಕೋದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬಿಸಿ ಇದ್ದ. ಯಾರು? ಆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ನಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ದಟ್, can you tell me where I can find a treasure for my mother please? Cried Joris. This Joris went to that little man. See children, little bit up. Okay, I told you he is that little man and he is Joris. Okay, this Joris went to near the little man and there is a cape. See here, red cape. This is called as the cape. He went near that little man and asked that, can you tell me where is the treasure for my mother please? And the Joris was crying. He cried. For that, first she is very poor and he goes on telling that he was explaining about her mother. My mother is very poor please. Can you help me to find my treasure? Where it is? He keep on asking to that little man. For that, the little man said, a treasure? A treasure? Ha ha ha! Laughed the little man. A treasure? Ha ha ha! The little man used to laugh. Why your mother has a treasure already. Why? Your mother has a treasure already. The little man said to the Joris that your mother is already having a treasure. Why you searching it? He said like that, and he vanished quickly between the tall reeds that lined the banks of the little stream. By telling this, the little man was vanished, means he is escaped. Okay. Poor Joris was puzzled indeed. Poor Joris was puzzled indeed. Means ಆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ, ನಿಮ್ ತಾಯಿ ಹತ್ರ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟ್ರೆಸರ್ ಇದೆ. ಟ್ರೆಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಹತ್ರ, ನೀನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹುಡುಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ ಹೇಳಿ ವ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ ಮರೆಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಜೋರಿಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಗೊಂದಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಹತ್ರ, ನನ್ನ ಮದರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಟ್ರೆಸರ್ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾಕೆ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು he went into the puzzled, means ಗೊಂದಲಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾದ, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಯಾರು? ಲಿಟಲ್ ಜೋರಿಸ್. Why had his mother not told him of the treasure? The little man must be mistaken. He thought that the little man must be mistaken. ಅವನೇನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿರ್ಬೇಕು. He thought himself, and it was getting late and dark. By doing these all the things, he got late and it became night time and dark. It became dark. He had never been away from home so late. He had never went that long time away from the home. That day, today is the first day. He went very long into the forest. Next, what happens? He turned back and went homewards. He turned back and went homewards. He came to the homewards. He followed the stream and soon reached his home safely. Finally, the little Joris saved his home safely, reached his home safely and reached his mother. His mother ran out to meet him. His mother ran out to him because it's a very dark. So she was worried about that. Where is my son? It became dark. Where is he? So she was worrying about the sun, isn't it? So when the little Joris come near the homewards, she ran and hugged him. Where have you been, my darling? She cried. And by crying that, she said that, where have you been, my darling? To my dear one, to your dear ones, you can call it as a darling. Means ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ, ನನ್ನ ಕಂದನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮದರ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ತನ್ನ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ, ಆ ತರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ಲು. ಯಾರು? ಅವ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿ. ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಹಿಮ್, ಬಿಗಿಯಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ತೋಳುಗಳಿಂದ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು, ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು. ಯಾರು? ತಾಯಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ತನ್ನ ಎರಡು ತೋಳುಗಳಿಂದ. ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಹಿಮ್, he hugged him tightly and asked that, where you have been, my darling? I was so afraid you were lost. I was so afraid. ನನಗೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ನೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ. I thought you were lost. Joris told his mother all about his wanderings and what that little man had said. Whatever the things, whatever the matter happened with the little Joris in the forest, no, that all story has told to the mother. By hearing those words, the mother said that, he is quite right, my dear son. He is quite right, my dear son, said his mother, hugging him close. And the mother said, you are my treasure. The mother said that, you are my treasure. Whatever the things that little man had told, no, that is right, because I already have a treasure. That is you only. You are my treasure, isn't it? For every parents, their child is the treasure for them, isn't it? Not a money or a gold or a land or a car, whatever the things, that is not important for the parents. Only their children are important to parents. They will treat the children as a treasure. Yes or no? Your father and mother will love you so much. Why? Because they treat you as a treasure, a huge treasure. So they want to keep that treasure safe. That's why they used to take care of yourself. Yes, no, children? Understood this lesson? Here, the treasure means not a money, not a gold or a land. The treasure means that little boy, Joris, to his mother. The treasure is that little Joris to his mother. Like that, you are different. You are also treasure to your parents. Yes, children, understood? So, this lesson is completed. Now, your homework is exercise. Moving towards the exercises, let us understand. Tick the correct meanings. Correct meaning. You should tick the correct meaning. See here. First one. Oatmeal is flour made of. Which one? Corn, wheat, oats. Answer is oats. Because here itself indicates that oatmeal. Means here oats. Oatmeal is made up from the oats. So tick the oats. Next, to become a dearer means to become. To become a dearer means to become. Option A cheaper. Option B more expensive. Option C easy to get. I told you what is the meaning of dearer here? Expensive thing. So the answer is more expensive. B. Take it. To vanish is to change into smoke, disappear, fly away rapidly. Means vanish means disappear. Option B, disappear. Tick it. Next, the fuel that Joris went to look for was petrol, coal, firewood. Which one? We get petrol in the forest? No. We get coal in the forest or a firewood in the forest? Which one? Why the Joris went to the forest? To bring the firewood. Okay? Childrens, you have to copy these all the exercise in your fair book. And another last one is there, fifth one. To wander on and on is to go briskly to particular place, walk aimlessly, turn swiftly. Option B, walk aimlessly. Walk aimlessly. Because the Joris was not having that aim, where to reach and where to go. He went on wandering. That is called as the walk aimlessly. This is the homework for you all. These are all things you copied in your notebook. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you, children.